This is Maya. She has 50,000 followers, works with major fashion brands, and made me over $2,000 last month. But here's the secret. She's not real. I created her in my bedroom and she's 100% powered by AI. Most people think building an influencer like this takes a massive team, a model, and a huge budget. But what if I told you it takes 0 filming, 0 photo shoots, and just a handful of tools you can access right now? In the next 10 minutes, I'm not just going to show you how I did it, I'm going to give you the exact blueprint. We're talking about how to design your AI model's unique look, how to give her a personality that attracts followers, and most importantly, how to get brands to pay you. But before we dive in, I need to warn you. The line between real and AI is officially blurred. If you're ready to see how to build a digital empire from scratch, stick around. This is going to change everything you know about content creation.
So the tool I'm going to use in this video is called influencerstudio.com. This tool doesn't just create your influencer. It can also turn them into all kinds of videos.
As you can see, the result of the video is looking so much realistic.
That's the best thing about Influencer Studio. It can handle many different tasks like face swapping, outfit changing, video advertisements, and much more. So today we'll be using Influencer Studio to test how powerful it really is. First, go to the Influencer Studio website and create your account. Once you log in, you'll see a dashboard like this. Next, you need to create a workspace. I'll name mine AI Influencer. After that, you'll notice 3 options: Simple Chat, Advanced, and AI Influencer. In this video, I'll try all 3 of them and see how the results turn out.
So first, I'm going to use the Simple Chat option and see how accurate it really is. I've already written a few prompts that I'll be testing one by one. If you want these prompts, you'll find the link to them in the description. So my first prompt is, create a realistic female AI influencer with soft facial features, long wavy brunette hair, wearing minimal natural makeup. She should look confident, friendly, and camera ready, standing in front of a neutral white background. After entering the prompt, you'll see a settings button. When you click it, you'll get 4 options. The first one is size. Here you can choose your image format. If you want a portrait image, select portrait. If you prefer a landscape image, select landscape. I'll choose portrait here. Next is image quality. I'll select high for this one. Leave the other 2 options as they are. After that, simply press the generate button. In a few seconds, your model will be ready. Usually within 40 to 50 seconds, your image will be generated. That's the beauty of this tool. It's super fast and efficient. Amazing. Look at this. The photo looks so realistic. You can literally see every tiny detail. Now, next, I'm going to change the outfit of this model. To do that, simply click on the plus button. This will automatically select your image. Now I'll enter this prompt. Take the same female model and change her outfit to a high fashion look, a black Dior dress with gold jewelry, standing confidently at a luxury rooftop party during sunset. Let's see the results. And wow, look at this transformation. The dress change looks completely real. Now let's try something new. I'll change the location of this model. Again, click the plus button to select your image and enter this prompt. Place the same model in front of the Eiffel Tower in Paris during golden hour, holding a coffee cup and smiling for a vlog-style photo. Let's see the results. And whoa, this is incredible. The background has changed perfectly and it looks absolutely realistic. If you want to change the size of your generated image, just click the Quick Actions button. You'll see several options there. Select Image, enter your desired size, and hit Generate again. Your image will now appear in the new dimensions.
Just wait a few seconds, and then you will see the magic.
Finally, let's test the face swap feature. First, upload the photo whose face you want to swap. Then from the Quick Actions menu, select the Face Swap option and press Generate. It may take a little more time than usual, and look at that, a perfectly realistic face swap.
Isn't it amazing that you can do different tasks all in one place without any hurdles? Now I'm going to use the image to video feature. First, select your image and click on the plus icon. Then choose the Generate Video option. Here, I'll enter a random prompt like, create a video of this girl enjoying the scenery, and let's see what happens. It will take just a few seconds, and done. Now let's check the result. Wow, pretty amazing, right? You can see how perfectly it has generated the video. Every little detail looks spot on. So this is how we can easily convert our images into realistic videos.
Now I'm going to test the advanced feature. In this section, we get 4 options. The first one is image generation. Here, you'll also see some optional tools like reference image, product image, etc., which you can use according to your needs. But I'm going to use the video generation option. So I'll enter a prompt here, and let's see what kind of result we get. As you can see, it has generated the video successfully, but there's no voiceover yet. To fix that, go back to the video generation option and paste the same prompt again. Now, a little further down, you'll see a settings option. Click on it. Here, the first thing you need to do is select your model. You'll see many available options such as Kling 2.1, Google Veo 3, 1, 2.5, and several others. I'm going to select Veo 3 for this one. Next, I'll set the video duration to 10 seconds. After that, you'll also find an option for camera movement, which you can adjust however you like. Now, let's see the final result.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share my morning routine that helps me kickstart my day with positivity.
Isn't that amazing? You don't need to go anywhere else. Every feature you need is already built into this platform. It offers all the tools that people usually have to buy separately from different websites. Now finally, I'm going to try its most amazing feature, the influencer generator. You'll see a button that says Create New Influencer, so click on that. Here, you'll get 2 options. If you want to create an influencer model using your own images, then choose the first option. You'll need to upload around 10 to 20 photos of yourself, and after that, you can customize and design your influencer model however you like. The second option allows you to create a completely new model from scratch, and that's the one I'm going to select. Now, you'll need to name your model, and below that, you'll see a variety of categories. You can choose any style or niche you prefer. After selecting one, click on Pick Avatar. A new interface will appear asking for some basic details like gender, country, hairstyle, and a few others. And once you filled out all the information, click Next. Here, you'll be asked to upload a reference photo, or it will suggest some models so you can pick them. After that, just click Next again. And within a few moments, your AI influencer model will be ready. Now, as you can see, our model is fully ready. Once you click on it, a new interface will open where you'll find 4 options: image generation, video generation, audio, and UGC. You can use these options to make your model do anything you want. So I'm going to create a UGC, user-generated content video, to test it out. First, you need to enter your prompt. I'm going to make my model create a coffee advertisement, so I'll paste my prompt here. Next, there are a few settings you can adjust. For example, I'll select Veo 3 as the model and set the duration to 8 seconds. If you have a brand image or product photo, you can upload it in the product photo section as well. After finishing all the settings, click on the Generate button, and within a few seconds, your professional ad will be ready. Here, it will generate 4 different frames for you. Simply choose the one you like the most and click Generate. And here it is, the final result. Isn't that amazing? And the best part is, I created all of this for just $10. So if you also want to try it out, you can purchase any plan from their website. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and goodbye.